Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 5 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with R, second edition. And in this video, what we're going to do is take a quick look at collapsing numeric variables. So I discussed in the previous video how we often don't want to collapse variables because we lose information, we lose variation. This is especially true for numeric variables. We really shouldn't do it, especially in the social sciences where we're sort of true numeric variables are a luxury. But sometimes we might want to do it for presentation purposes, for data visualization. So we're going to look at just a real quick way of doing it. In the chapter, I have more specifics about it. We are going to take the age variable from the VF England dataset, and we are going to collapse it into 3 categories. All right, so let's get started with how this works. So again, I'm going to save this as a new variable with VF England. All right, VF England, piping, mutate function, and then we're going to call it age underscore cat for category. All right, so that's our new variable name. Equals, and then we're going to use this function called cut interval. So this is actually from, as you see there, ggplot. So ggplot is the data visualization package that's part of tidyverse. So it's kind of interesting that this function is part of that. Again, it kind of speaks to how we might want to collapse a numeric variable for visualization purposes. All right, so we have cut interval. Do parentheses, we're going to use age, comma, and then we're going to do n equals 3. And by doing that, what the function does, what cut interval does, is that it's going to take our variable age and cut it into roughly 3 equal categories, equal based on the number of categories, if you will, or here ages in the variable age. So it's not creating a version, at least what we're doing, creating a version where there's an equal number of observations. It's the size of the intervals are equal. All right, so we could leave it like that, but an option that we might want to put on is to include labels. So labeling these categories. So since there's only 3 of them, we might want to do that. So I'm going to do comma and then enter and I'm going to pull this back. All right. We're going to include the option labels equals, and then we're going to do 3 of them. So we're going to use the concatenate function C, and we have young, middle age, or middle-aged, I don't know, whatever, and then old. It's kind of very brutal version of age, right? Okay, so let's see if this works. So we're going to highlight this and run this. Yay, no errors. All right, let's take a look at this. So VF England, and then count and age cat. All right, let's take a look. Ta-da! So we have now young, middle-aged, and old. All right, so in the chapter I have more about like doing kind of bespoke or manually setting the size of the categories or intervals. So you can check it out there, but it's roughly the same idea. All right, so that's it. Again, this real quick looking at this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.